So what's up, y'all? Y'all been asking for that Batana, and now you have it. So guys, this is a larger size, as you guys can see. This is a larger size, and I do have about 15 right now in stock, okay? My neighbor went back to Honduras, and she brought me back a lot of the Batana, so I was able to mix it in with the special hair grease that you guys know that I make to make your hair grow. So all of you that were enjoying it from the other size that you had ordered, you're going to really, really, really love this. And guys, the pine tar is included in this, okay? The pine tar is included in this. Because you guys know that my Batana is imported, you know, bought directly from Batana. Look, she had to go through customs and everything to get that daggone Batana over here. So with everything that's in here, guys, right now, if you want one, you can get it. What sale do I want to do? You can get them for $85 right now. I will put them on sale for $85. You don't need a lot, all right? You don't need a lot. So hurry up and purchase because y'all know they're going to sell out. You already know they're going to sell out. So if you want one, go ahead and text me at 424-261-7283. 424-261-7283. Happy growing.